The PE error code on a Kenmore washing machine indicates a malfunctioning water level sensor or issues with water level pressure. This sensor, or pressure switch, detects the amount of water in the machine, and when it malfunctions, the washer cannot determine the required water level for various cycles, resulting in the PE error code. Several common causes of this error code include a faulty water level sensor, which is unable to detect or sense incorrect signals, leading the washer to display the error code. A dirty water inlet filter can also cause issues, as dirt, lint, and debris accumulate over time, restricting water flow and leading to water level pressure problems. Additionally, a clogged water inlet valve can hinder water flow, causing water supply and pressure issues, and triggering the error code. Loose wires or damaged wire harnesses can also be a cause, as loose connections or damage between the water sensor and control board can result in the PE error code. If none of these causes are apparent, a faulty control board may be the problem, as it cannot interpret signals from the water sensor correctly, causing the error code to appear. To fix the PE error code, several solutions can be applied. Replacing the water level sensor may be necessary if it is faulty, although seeking assistance from a technician is recommended if the process is unknown. Cleaning the water inlet filters can also resolve the issue if they are clogged. This involves switching off the washer, disconnecting it, locating the water inlet pipe, and removing the filters to soak them in vinegar and clear any debris. Unclogging the water inlet valve can also be effective, by accessing and thoroughly cleaning the valve. Firmly connecting wires or replacing the wire harness can also resolve the issue if loose connections are the cause. If the problem lies with the electronic control board, it is recommended to contact a technician to diagnose and repair it.